start recording so that I've started recording so that even those who are not attending can be benefited through this discussion. So the flow of discussion which we are going to have will be that I'll first talk about this host of the program who has invited you, the association Deep, and we will discuss about scope of parental coaching as a career. Many of you, maybe you are already into counseling coaching, many are in education, so many are in non-education domain. Somebody is from HR, somebody's a pediatric dentist, somebody's into the mother, or students also we have. So if you want to look it as an extension of your career, as a part-time role or a full-time role if you want, how the first question come that what is the scope of parent coaching as a career. So we'll discuss about it. Why parent coaching is important. This will be one topic which we'll discuss. Who parent coaches are, how they work, how they serve families, what is their approach of work. We will be discussing
Power
about that.
on. You plugged into Nirvana.
And we will also discuss about if you wish to become one parenting coach, how you can become one parenting coach. And as an association of parenting coaches, how we support our coaches, we will be discussing this part as well in next 35 to 40 minutes. So it will be a very brief discussion, but absolutely candid and clear in terms of how our people are working, how we support them. So this is an association of parenting coaches, which I'm representing as president of association. I'm a founder president of this association, which got registered in 2015 under Society Act. And so far, it is India's only association of parenting coaches. We were 13 people when we started in 2015. Today, we are total 908 coaches from India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bahrain, Nigeria, Kenya, Oman, Kuwait, Malaysia, Singapore, Dubai, UK, Canada, Iceland, USA, Sri Lanka, and Germany. Apart from India, we have now coaches in 16 different countries. And it all started from India only. They all are connected to this Indian body, which is Deep. So across almost all continents of the world, we have coaches now. In India, if we talk about out of 908 coaches, 600 plus coaches are in India only. Major number of coaches are in India only. And we have trained so far 8 lakh parents in India. In our work span of 5-6 years, we have trained 8 lakh parents through our coaching services and through our trainings and courses. And we are serving close to 130 schools in the country. Almost all top brands of the country we are serving in this association's capacity through our coaches only. And we have already trained 8 lakh parents. The next milestone which we are gunning for, the objective which we have in India is to enable 5 million parents by 2024. 50 lakh parents is our plan. 8 lakh we have already served. So 3 more years to go to serve this number, and hopefully we'll be achieving it, because earlier we were doing it offline, so online was not an option available. Now the number we can achieve more, and we as as an organization, as an association, our members are now bigger in number, so we will be definitely achieving this number in time. So that's our motto. That's about us. So far we are world's largest body with the highest number of parenting coaches in one organization. That's world's biggest organization. And if we talk about India's, so it is only India's body so far. That's about our status in India and in the world as a group. Now coming to the other part, that which is about scope of parental coaching as a career. I will establish the scope by talking about development of child. I'm sure you will agree with the fact that child development at any point of time is on the prime agenda of any family. Do you agree? All parents, all families, their prime agenda is development of child. Everything what they do directly, indirectly is for development of child. And if we
Yes.
say on a macro level, even countries' growth is dependent on child development. Because if foundation of child development is strong, so as tomorrow's humans will be strong. So maybe in a micro and macro level, both, if we see the development of child is very important. And we also know that there are many variables which are impacting development of child. Many variables are there. Out of those many variables, we have identified that these two variables act as strong pillars to build the foundation of child development: parents and education system. Do you agree? Quick response. Say yes if you agree with that. These two pillars.
Yes.
Right. Good. Thank you. Appreciate. Now, we all agree that these two pillars are very important. If we go and give, let's have a look on each pillar one by one. If we go and first have a look on education system. Post independence as a country, we have given enough focus on this. We tried to improve it. Gradually, we brought so many government organizations, some boards we introduced, some working committees we introduced to improve this system, because government knows that nation's development is based on education system. I won't say that they are doing enough work, but some substantial work is going on. There are budgets, there are ministries, there are private organizations now which are trying to improve this system. They are trying to improve the life of people working in this system, whether they are teachers, school principals, school leaders. So the private and government bodies doing trainings, bringing in some new curriculums, pedagogies. So a lot of things which are going on. Can you see that it's happening? This change is visible to us. Yes or no?
Yes, with the new education policy.
Yeah, new education policy is a big change, which is very recent change. So things are going on. Somebody is working. So government has given some emphasis on this. On the other hand, the parents, which is the equally responsible rather than more responsible pillar than education system, they are by count pretty big in number. In India, approximately 60 crore parents are there. Have you seen any government intervention to improve their life, to make them knowledgeable, skillful, effective, how to deal with kids? Have you seen any government intervention making some department bodies or so to tell them how to raise kids effectively? No. There are people, those who are working in private capacity, right? I've seen people, those who are working in private capacity in different places, which is good, but they can't substantially work. There's not a big change we can make. That is why we created this association, so that we shall do something to create substantial impact. Though we are pretty small yet, we have trained only 8 lakh parents. In India, if I talk about people, those who ever talked about parenting and understood something on parenting, they are not more than 20 lakh. Total, if I see, out of 60 crore, only 20 lakhs are those who ever talked about or being mindful about it or learned something in a course or through seminar or through a workshop or through counseling. Not more than this. The number is pretty big. It's huge. And another fact which I want to share with you, just to share with you, true that, Chandralekha, I really appreciate it. Parenting is the rule. There is no training for that. We'll discuss about it. So another interesting fact I want to tell you, 60 crore we are already, and only 20 lakhs are trained. Just to share with you, every year 3 crore new parents are joining this group. India, every year 3 crore new parents are joining the group. Even if we start serving the new parent, still there is a big potential. Ample potential is there. So I can see, like in last 5 years, people are now very much concerned about child development and all. They're talking about it. They're looking for a solution. Next 15 to 20 years will be the golden period of these parenting coaches, I'm telling you, child development coaches and parenting coaches. This much mindfulness is there. So scope is enormous. Maybe you may be thinking, of course, we are a big country, 130 crore people, 60 crore parents are there. Are they asking about it? Have they started talking about parental coaching needs? I think parent doesn't know that there is somebody who can answer these questions, but they do have questions. I'm sure if you are a teacher, if you are a counselor, if you are in psychology, even if you're not in that education, still at your workplace, among your colleagues, in your neighborhood with the relatives, you must have noticed the parents are now, they have started sharing the challenges which they are facing. And they start asking about it. They don't know whether somebody will give them solution or not. But they have started sharing those challenges. Have you heard people complaining about my child's concentration level is not up to mark? Have you heard people complaining? Check. Yes?
This is the most
Yes.
common.
Very common. Teachers, principals, sometimes friends, colleagues at lunch table in office, they do talk about it. You may have heard about young parents of young kids, those who have toddler and mid-schoolers. A child is not sitting at one place for long. They come up with a term called hyper, overactive, and superactive type of terms. But I'm sure You may have heard these questions. Tantrums at any point of time in any generation has been a big problem. The child is over demanding, more toys, more fun, more anything. They are so passionate while asking, but when we give them, they are not using it properly. Is that insatiability, and how to deal with this insatiability? These questions are there, general questions. If you go a bit further in general challenges, there is another question which is about screens, TV, mobile phone. Especially in pandemic, I'm sure you must have got so many calls. Even you got bothered sometime that kids are only glued to screens. What to do? And these are general terms. Many parents are asking questions about it. And if you go specific, there are parents, those who are worried about child's shyness, confidence, academics, not writing, not expressing. Many people have different specific challenges which they're facing. Somebody is worried about, I asked my child, how has been the school today? They're not sharing anything. So they're worried, the kids are not sharing. And as the child's age growing, the challenges are increasing. Those who have teens at home, they have discipline issues. They have a worry that if I ever become tough with my child will become rebel. So they have a worry. They also have a worry that what we can do, how we can influence the child. Our child is getting influence from their peer group. So what we can do? They feel like only peers can influence. And especially parents of teenagers are complaining, I am interested to talk to my child. So they are not interested to talk to us. What if they don't talk to us? What we shall do? And believe me, there are many questions like that which are already there. Few parents are there, those who have challenges, they are not sharing. There are few, those who have challenge, they are sharing. And there are few, those who doesn't know whether there'll be any benefit of sharing or not. One thing is common, they don't know who can answer this question. Believe me, they don't know this. They ask this question to teachers, principals, or somewhere that teacher is also thinking, the problem which you are facing, I'm facing the similar problem at home. So because they are subject matter expert, they're not expert on these. The parent doesn't know whom to ask the question, and that's where the role of a parent coach fits in. Because as a country, as a society, we can't keep these questions unanswered. If we ever choose to do it, there'll be a lot of chaos, and it is already there. What it is costing, development of child. And I'm sure no parent consciously want that. And that's where the role of a parent coach fits in. If somebody asks me that, Manish, what do you do? In one line, if I have to answer you what I do, I tell them I enable parents to be effective in their role. Whatever role they do, talking, communicating, correcting, developing, and coaching, I make them effective in their role by enabling them. I don't do parenting for you, but I enable you to do this job well. And if we go with the descriptive definition of parent coach, a parent coach is someone who helps parents with parenting challenges by offering them alternative perspective, not standard perspective. It's not about what worked at my place will work at your place. Is it possible? What strategy worked at my place? Is it sure that it will work at all places?
No.
No, it's not sure. That is why tailor-made strategies will work. Ready-made strategies are not going to work. Right? That is why our coaches are well equipped with multiple perspectives so that they help people with alternative perspective. It's not about my experiences. You will never find deep coaches to give examples of their kids. Because if I keep giving examples of my child, I stop growing with perspectives. So we limit our people not to give examples of your kids, because then only you will come up with multiple perspectives. And once you have multiple perspectives, you will be possibly giving alternative perspective which matches to the family situation, because each family situation is different from your family situation. Your child is different, my child is different. You are different, I am different. You come from different geography, I come from different geography. You come from different culture, I come from different culture. So that means somewhere that the solution has to be according to your agenda, not according to my agenda. Are you getting me? It has to be according to your need, not mine. So that's very important to have multiple perspectives so that you can offer alternative perspective. And the other job parent coaches do is not only solving the problems, they also help parents to achieve their parenting goals, right? Which people don't have technically. Even if they have mama have a different goal and papa have a different goal. So some issues are there. So our coaches help them align those goals and further help them have those goals. That's a definition of parent coach. And how they help parents. What is their approach of work? How coaching coaches, parent coaches are working and how they are earning. That's another interesting point to be discussed. There are three ways a coach can help families. The one is personal coaching, which is the most effective approach of helping any family. A family will come up to you with a problem. You will assess the situation. After assessing, you will provide a solution and you will further do intervention till the time they get rid of that problem. The problem get resolved. This is one-to-one. One family with coach, one-to-one approach of helping families. We call it personal coaching. Each intervention which we do with a family is 30 minutes, and maybe with one family you may be doing 5 to 7 or 3 to 7 interventions. Each intervention we charge 1,000 to 1,500 rupees. Means 30 minutes intervention we are charging 1,000 to 1,500 rupees, including assessments and all. So depends which city you live in. The bigger the city, the more the price. So 1,000 to 1,500 rupees per intervention our coaches are charging for personal coaching sessions. The other approach is where you can do seminars, workshops, trainings in schools, corporates. Mostly it happens in school, but in last 3-4 years, corporates have started inviting parental coaches in their organizations, mostly in family gatherings. Like each HR is organizing some family oriented program. They invite parent coaches because they talk about work-life balance. They talk about how to spend quality time with kids. So that's quite meaningful topics. So they invite our coaches there. Schools, so anyways, are inviting play schools and regular schools. So it's a good approach wherein you do 1 to 2 hour talks you deliver, seminars, workshops you deliver, and you charge 10,000 to 15,000 rupees for your service. And on third, get this approach. This is very powerful. After this pandemic, so this is now a bigger opportunity. You will be in a position to launch your own course on parenting. You must have seen people nowadays, small courses, 500 rupees course, 1,000 rupees course. We have approximately 8 to 12 type of packs of product, which ranges between 499 to 4,000 type product range. You can launch your course online or offline. Our backend team supports you in landing pages, payment gateways, everything which is related to digital marketing and all we have set up. So means you have an opportunity that after this you can earn out of 3 means. Now you see which do you want to earn from all 3 ways, 2 ways, it's your call, the way you see your comfort is. But these all 3 possibilities are there, and existing coaches are opting for all 3 ways approaches to earn. Clear? So there is another question which is asked to me many a time, that why parent coaching is important. Every parent is thinking what I'm doing is correct, good. So why do I need a parent coach? I'm sure you may be thinking the same. Everybody is thinking the same till the time they face a problem. Once they face a problem, then they reach out to a coach, to a counselor to get help. Am I right or wrong? Till that time, they never feel like going and asking somebody that. They feel like what I'm doing is correct. I have good intent about my child, so that's enough. My question to you is, which I ask usually to my all the parents. I'm asking same question to you. How many of you agree with the statement that role of a parent is very important role? How many of you agree?
Yes.
Say yes. Say yes in the chat box quickly. That if you agree that role of a parent is highly important.
Absolutely important.
Right?
Child is completely dependent.
Very important. Now, the second question which I have for you is, how many of you agree that role of a parent is getting complex and tough with the changing time? Tell me.
Of course, yes, absolutely.
Of course.
So these two statements, that one, it is important, second, it is getting complex and tough. Now, if answer to these two questions is correct, now I'll take you back to the history of mankind, the way evolution happened. If you check, in any society, any culture, any country. Whenever that society realized that this particular role is important for society and it is tough, they brought standard qualification for that. Maybe one day when society realized that the role of a doctor is very important and it is tough, they brought standard qualification for same. When they realized role of a teacher, role of a lawyer, architect, each role you talk about, whenever they realized this role is important for society, well needed, and it is tough, they brought standard qualification for that role. Check almost every vocation, whether it is plumbing, law, medicine, teaching, basic vocation like hairdressing also, there is definitely a standard qualification for same. If we value any role, we have some basic qualification or some do's and don'ts for those roles. And the most important role, which is parenting, we don't have any basic information, knowledge, do's and don'ts for that. What we are using is our own wisdom. Sometimes it helps us, sometimes it doesn't help us. And I call it the most important role. Why? Because all these doctors, lawyers, engineers, business leaders, education leaders will be raised by a parent who is not trained. He's just applying their wisdom. Sometimes they are doing something which they don't want. Let me ask you this question, all the mothers and fathers over here. Tell me this answer to this question. Do you confess that many a time, unknowingly, unwantedly, and unconsciously, your behavior, your decisions, your approaches, and your actions may hinder your child's growth, may harm their emotions? Do you agree? Unknowingly, unwantedly, unconsciously, my actions, my behavior, my approaches, my decision may hinder my child's growth, may harm their emotions. Do you confess? Possible. Many times we later realize, Alkaji, and maybe we may not realize that we have done the mistake, right? That means it's not about being good. It's not about being good. It's not about good parenting. This is the wrong concept introduced to our life, good parenting and bad parenting. There is no parent who is bad parent, because nobody has a bad intent. By intent, we all are same. We all have same intent. We all want growth of child. We all want development of child. Believe me or not. You talk to some ready wala, even they have the same intent. You talk to some villagers, they have same intent. Rich, poor, city from village, doesn't matter. Educated, uneducated, doesn't matter. All have common intent, which is development of child. We all have positive intent, and that's not enough. It's all about being mindful. It's all about being effective. Are we effective? Are we mindful? That's the question, right? And that's where I think we as coaches, we at parenting coaches at Deep are adding value in people's life, making them mindful, making them effective. Because there are many things which we don't know is harmful for our kids and we are proposing in their life. Many things, believe me, because we are not aware of the consequences. Clear? So how our coaches are being capable to help families? So the content is the strength of this organization. Our content is very thorough, detailed, and we never considered parenting as a topic. We considered it as a subject which requires a lot of research. So it's a complete subject. So our content curators are earlier we were limited. Now we have big team of 50 people in content curation, and our content is divided according to the age of child. So if you are dealing with the parents of toddlers, our content is different. When I'm serving parents of middle schoolers, the content is different. When we are dealing with the parents of teens, the content is different. Of course, the challenges and opportunities in each age are different, so is our content. So our content is our strength, and accordingly we have decided. We are working from 1 to 22 years of age. So that's the range which we work in these three categories. So that's about us, about this role, this how we work and all. After this discussion that who we are as an association and all we discussed, many of you must be thinking that tell me how I can become one. How many of you thinking those lines? Manish, tell me if I wish to become one parenting coach, how I can become one. Say yes, I'll get to know who all are there. Those who want to know more about it. Swati, good, I'll tell you.
Attending the
It's good.
training. Attending the session.
Of course. That's more to me. that so I'll get to know. So good. So what we have done, just to differentiate, training a parent is different and training a parent coach is different. Zameen asman ka fark hai. Because when I train you as a parent, I'll first understand your need and serve a perspective to you, a single perspective. But when I'm going to help develop a coach, we have to give them all perspectives because they're going to help many families tomorrow. So parent need their solution, wherein a coach need to have all solutions. So that is why a parent coach, the program for parent coaching has to be thorough and detailed and absolutely clear. That is why we have chosen the model called Train the Trainer, TTT. You may have heard about this model, wherein things are shared in detail, thorough. So TTTs are a thorough model of training, where we are enabling coaches to train parents, to coach parents. So you will be able enough to help them with all possible solutions, or even if something new comes up, we as a team is there at back end for all those challenges which are going to come, right? I'll tell you how we support our coaches. There are 3 Train the Trainer program which we have designed. The first, we call it Train the Trainer program, which is known as foundational course. Anyone who wants to start in parenting, they have to start with foundational course, right? There is no direct entry to other levels. First, second, third. It's a 8 days program. Every day we do training for 2 hours and it is live discussion. It's not pre-recorded training you get access ke jab marzi sun lo. No, it's a live discussion where you have an opportunity to ask questions then and there immediately. And questions will be answered then and there only, right? Nothing like at the end of the session. We don't want our coaches will be helping people with ambiguity. They shall be absolute clarity in place about all the concepts. So our program first is 8 days program, which is 16-hour content. Sometime get extended by 1 day, depends on the discussion. And second is once you do first level, then you will graduate to second level, which is focusing on teen and adolescents needs, 6 days program, and then 5 days program, which is dedicated to mid-schoolers. So each program can be extended by 1 or 2 days, depends on discussion. We never limited ourselves that we will be completing it in 8 days only. It can extend. So we from start tell them like keep a buffer of 1 or 2 days for each level. Now each level you get different certification. Even if you do first level, you will be regarded as parenting coach toddlers, right? That's how we do it. So I'll share the copy of certification. The programs are happening live, so that is why it happens on certain timings. It can't be possible that we can anytime give you access of. It's not recorded program, so it's live, so it happens on certain time. I'll share Navya, just share. So this 15th to 24th October, the first level batch. So 15th October batch in series, you can cover up all the 3 levels, right? 7 to 9 p.m. batch. It is just a minute. It is not 15th. It is 8th November. 8th November. Sorry, these batches are already started. 8th November and 15th November. 8th November batch is starting on.
Only WhatsApp.
This is 4 to 6 p.m. batch, and 4 to 6. Anyone who wants to do this timing, they can start with 8th November batch, and 15th November batch is starting 7 to 9 p.m. So you have 2 options available in next month. And same way in December, there is one 4 to 6 batch and another is 7 to 9 batch, which is available as an option, which you can start, right? So 8th and 15th November upcoming program, one is starting at 4, another is starting at 7 to 9. So these timings are available. So each program I already told you is certification. Now Navya has asked which body will be certifying. In India, there is only one body so far in this, which is DEEP. So DEEP's this certification is not only valid in India, it is valid across other countries also. Our people are working in even Canada based on this certification. So India, we are already working with private and government bodies. This certification is absolutely valid, right? So I'll share the copy of certificate. And right now, if you want, you can ask the training coordinator. They will share a copy of certificates with you. All these trainings are happening on Zoom, so that is why you get an opportunity to get recording of each session. After training, every day you will be getting recording, so that if you missed any program or if you want to listen to it again, you can listen to these recordings, which are downloadable. You get lifetime access to these recordings, right? Third opportunity, you are detailed after you become coach. Even if you do first level, you become member of the association, you will be issued a membership number. So once you become a member, your membership profile will be visible on the website. If somebody wants to check whether Devdatta has done this course or not, so they will go and check Mumbai se kitne coaches, and they can find out coaches list, right? We also provide a micro website. I'll show you how it is, what it is. Micro website to each coach. You can build your own micro website free of cost on our platform. I'll show you how it is. All the presentations, content, and each day we will be sharing one ebook with you on parenting. Approximately more than 15 books on parenting we share with our coaches, and means you need not to invest in books. You get through the program, through the content. Each program has its own investment. The first program is 8 days program. The investment is 3,000 rupees. Second level program is 6 days program. The investment is 2,000 rupees. And third level program is 5 days program. The investment is 1,500 rupees. All three programs, it is put together 6,500 rupees. People, those who are joining in this time, those who are registering in this time, 3rd November till Diwali, there is a 50% discount going on, which usually happens in at two times with our association. One at Women's Day we announce it, second on Diwali we announce it. So anyone who wants to get into new career, Diwali is the right time, and Women's Day, for women's we announce this in March, 8th of March we usually announce. So there are two timings in India. So fortunately this time is going on. You can opt to enroll for this all three programs by paying 50% fee, 3250 if you pay, or if you want to enroll for first level, you pay only 1,500 rupees and you enroll for this 8 days program. So after this training, since you are member, so you enjoy membership benefits also. All members are eligible for one training in a quarter. Apart from these trainings, which are paid trainings, there are certain regular trainings of associations are happening, which are happening every quarter one on different topics, totally dependent on like which topic has been in demand, what is demanded by coach. We organize programs like Healthy Teens, Healthy India, cyber safety. Even we recently did programs on how to run Facebook ads, digital marketing, because it's talk of town now. Everybody wants to, they are spending money outside. We said, don't spend money outside. We bring coaches and they will train you. And these trainings are free of cost. Minimum one training happens each quarter. After you become like this, I'm going to share with you like this link I'm sharing with you. This is link of first level agenda. All three level agenda you can see. You can visit deepparenting.com and you can see the agenda of all three levels. If you demand it from someone who invited you, you can ask them. They will share agenda of all three levels with you. You can have a look on what's covered in all three levels, right? So if you mention your contact number, you will be getting the entire details of agenda and all. Otherwise, you can visit deepparenting.com and you can get to see agenda of all the levels. So training fee for the first level I told you is 2,999. Now it is till 3rd November discount is going on. After you complete your program, how we are supporting our coaches? There are two major areas where coach needs support: in marketing and second in service. Both areas we help our coaches. First is we keep updating them with the content. Like I told you, every quarter we do one training for updation of content. If we created some new content, so all old coaches get trained on that. So it's not that if we updated something, they have to repay the money and they get updated on the content, they get updated. 50% is the discount number. So second, we also help them in marketing and all. Once you get into business, 90 days plan we give to our coaches. For 90 days, we give you a lot of material, marketing collaterals. And if you follow that 90 days plan, within 90 days, you brand yourself and you build your good credibility. Mostly coaches are not so good at branding. So this is a designed plan. If you follow that plan, 90 days is good time to build your tribe, followers, brand and credibility. How to do it? We give you ready-made material. Nothing, those who feel like we don't know how to make creatives, how to make posters, everything you get ready-made. Tech support we give them, like landing pages and all, like that I show you now. If you allow me, I can show you something to have a look on this. This is our official website of Deep, which is deepparenting.com. If you go to deepparenting.com and there is a button called coaches. If anyways you want to see the profile of coaches and all, if you go to coaches button, just a minute. These are upcoming days, but batches which are starting 8th November, 15th, 6th and 13th. So you can register for any. If you go to coaches button, so you have then opportunity to get to a platform which we call deepparentingcoaches.com. In deepparentingcoaches.com, you can see the detailed profile of each coach, right? Just a minute. This way means your profile will be visible on this. You can see profile of, like, for example, if I open up Akanshu Shrivastava, he's also a TEDx speaker, one of our old coach. If you see his profile, so if you want to see Akanshu's profile, so Akanshu will be sharing this link with you. You will go to this link and you can see Akanshu's profile this way. So he has highlighted his skills there. Just a minute. He has highlighted a skill that what all things you do: career strategist, public speaking, online teaching and faculty development, teacher training, parent coaching. He also highlighted some pictures of his work, some news coverages, a gallery section. And he also, if he has written some quotes are visible there. His even WhatsApp profile, this YouTube profile he can link over here. So you can directly go to his YouTube profile, right? That says TEDx talk. If you want to see, you can see directly. This is a home page of his profile. If you want to read about his profile, you can go to about, but you can read about his profile, what exactly in detail about who Akanshu is. So now if you see in this, you will get to know his email ID, phone number. You can go and talk to him. Means anyone who visiting this coach, they can connect with the coach. Now that's what he has done. Certified parenting coach, Bloom Tech Seminar, Globe. His brief profile is visible over here. If he wants to write some blogs, he can write blogs in this website, micro website. All activities, even reviews, you can read on this. Same way, your profile you can create on our platform. This is free, it's not paid, right? Now what happens usually, this is all part of, it is part of the program, no separate. It's an association of parenting coaches. Whatever we create it for our coaches, right? Association doesn't have their own identity apart from coaches. Even if you purchase one program, you are aware of one you are much aware of helping how to help toddlers. So of course you will automatically get to realize the need of other, because ऐसा तो होगा नहीं कि अगर mid schooler parent आए, you will tell them that, oh, I deal with toddlers. You never lose the business. So you definitely learn about that as well. So, but I'm going to tell you, even if you do first level, you will get to see this. So this is what I was talking about, this tech support which we give. Tomorrow when you want to launch your even course, you will be you can have your own landing page. I shared a link with you, had I? I will share. I'll just share this link I shared with you. Check. This is agenda of first level program. If you see, this entire page have some reviews. It has some payment link also, right? So you can connect with payment. Now it's okay, you go with one by one, no problem. You do one this November and agla December mein karo, your call, the way you want to do it. So if this type of link, if you tomorrow want to launch a course, will be provided. There's another program which we have in-house program, we call it Upfeed. ये थोड़ा interesting है concept. आप में से कई लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे कि 24-25 days training, how I can become a great coach, है ना? ऐसे होता ना? फिर there is a nowadays trend के training के बाद तुम कौन और मैं कौन, ये भी है ना? So the people have very little, we will be left alone after this or so, right? So what to do? No, what we have designed, I told you that we are an association, we have regular programs happening. So we have dedicated 3 days in a week to Upfeed program. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Each Monday, each Wednesday, each Friday, one coach is going to train other coaches. It's already scheduled. One coach will come up with one topic, 9 to 10 p.m., and they train other coaches. What is the advantage? On same topic, you get to hear different people with added content each time, and you get to know how, like, the different flavors of different coaches. Like today, it's Wednesday today. Today's program is Art of Asking Question by Karen Dilemma. Karen is from Mumbai. She is doing program today for other coaches. What she will be getting in return, she will practice on the topic. Second, she will get a feedback on 9 parameters from all the participants. This is an ongoing program, means you have 150 programs lined up in a year. Every alternate day you can attend.
May I interrupt, Manish?
Yes.
Yeah, what I wanted to ask regarding the Upfeed is, so you mean to say that after the training is completed, this is the ongoing, continuous?
Absolutely ongoing, means you want to have, you feel like that there was a topic which was related to facilitation skills, and you feel I'm not much comfortable with this topic. Attend this facilitation skill program of 10 different people in a year, with extra, each time they come up with their own added research on this. If Karen is doing something,
These are from these sessions
existing coaches, it is a coaches network.
By your team of 50 or the new coaches?
All coaches, old and new, all get opportunity to deliver, all get opportunity to attend. So it's nothing like old or new. Even tomorrow, when you feel like I want to deliver in Upfeed, you nominate yourself. If you get opportunity, you will be told, you prepare and deliver, and you get feedback from others also. It's actually designed for the reason that how you can upscale yourself, because when you get a personalized feedback from your fellow coaches, it's a win-win situation for both. So 150 program you can attend in a year, and this is ongoing. It's not, I'll tell you, we are a community, we are not a company, we are a community. So we have designed many community oriented programs in-house. Like 14th of November, I'm going to tell you, 14th of November, we will be doing one talk, which will be done by 200-300 coaches, live sessions on one day. These on New Year, we talk about this, what you call it, the 10 commandments for parenting. We trained 3 lakh parents in one day. First day of 2021, 3 lakh parents, 200-300 coaches went live that day. We don't count it even in training. It's just a talk which delivered. So that's how very synergetic approach we work. Though we whatever you people will be earning, Deep is not seeking anything out of it. Deep is a association, so they can't take share from your business. We are not a commercial company. So we don't seek any revenue. Whenever we realize that something our coaches are needing, like for example, this Deep Parenting Coaches, this micro website platform which we created, we built it last year. When we realized nowadays everybody is asking about digital presence, है ना? तो हमारे coaches को महसूस हुआ कि website चाहिए, कैसे दिखाएं profile अपना. So we created that platform. We gifted it to our all existing coaches, new coaches. Go and use it. मेरे को server cost और बनाने की cost एक बार pay करनी है as association, and we have funds. We do it. We never ask our coaches to pay for that. कल को अगर कोई topic नया आता है जहां पर हमें लगे कि we coaches are need, all coaches need it. All coaches, not one के लिए create नहीं करते. All coaches common demand is there that we need some digital learning tools. So we bring in learning management system चाहिए तो we'll bring in अगर चाहिए तो. हालांकि parenting में recorded trainings are not helpful. It has to be live because answers can be given then and there. Recorded में there are a lot of confusion. So we don't believe. But still अगर कल को जरूरत हो, we'll have our own LMS which our coaches can use. Clear? And we support you with mentoring also. 1 year we are very much close to you, near you to support you, right? And once you become member, your membership is renewed every year. 450 rupees is the fees. Certification is for lifetime. Membership benefits, technology support is for lifetime. We don't charge. But membership ki benefits jo quarterly one training hoti hai for updation purposes, for that you pay 450 rupees annually, which we want to renew. Clear? Otherwise, your certification is for lifetime. That's how we are supporting our coaches. Launching in courses, we support them. And this. That's all about. Now, तो anyways, this is वैसे ही वो सस्ता है. अभी 50% off चल रहा है, तो it is much more सस्ता. And don't bother about value. I can guarantee you. I'll give you one more link.
May I know, the facilitators for the upcoming program? They are from like, what are the credentials as such?
I'll tell you. I'll give you a link. I will be the facilitator for all the programs. But whatever trainer programs are happening, I will be delivering those programs. And I'll share my profile with you. Right? Who I am, when I started. Because if I keep telling you,
My
it will be a long
question is
story.
why you started this. I want to know your reasoning and feeling behind.
I become father on 21st March 2010.
Okay.
I was in corporate sector till that time. I was regional training head with a very renowned banking brand. 2010, 21st of March, I became father. 1st of April 2010, I got out of my job and I went into learning more about behavioral sciences, personality and all. My on becoming a parent is, I felt like very responsible that day. That's a long story how the 3 days when I hold my child, like I realized that I don't know even how to hold the child. So what next? Like I felt like
Nobody teaches you that.
not everyone become responsible that way, but I think I became responsible much that time when I got a call, this call from labor room that you got a daughter, you got a child. From a role of husband, I immediately become father. I don't know how to be a father. So that's something which triggered me to get into this role. So it's a long story how I started. I worked in parental coaching 5 years alone, 6 years rather. 2015, we 13 came together and built this organization. If you talk about the profile is me, and it is one of the biggest profile in the country until when it comes to parenting, not about any other domain. That I'll share with you. You can.
Manish, the reason I'm asking is I wanted to see whenever you are connecting with somebody, you really, as you said, you would like to connect with us. The same from my side. I wanted to know why you are into this field, because parenting is a field which is
For me, I told you, for me it was not business initially. Though I found everything in this, I found my career, I found my niche, everything I got. But initially it was more of my own parenting, which triggered me to get into this domain. So
you realize many need help.
Another thing which, anyways, you may have a different objective to ask, but for those who have a question, I'll give you this this link. I would appreciate if you go through this link. It will help you to have this decision easily. You will be easily making up this decision about this.
Passion with which somebody does something, it really affects the the essence, the quality of the content. When somebody is passionate and has a reason.
I'll tell you something about quality of content. I've just shared a link with you in the chat box. I request
why I asked you why. So when you
understood,
shared,
I shared with you. And then I'll tell you what is the other way to get to know that who is who, right? That's another way. I'll tell you. Already we have, I told you, 900 coaches. Not everyone is from same domain. Somebody is from HR, somebody is from teaching. Some school principals are there. Some even pediatricians are there. We have someone who is pediatric dentist also in our team, right? Already in team. So we have dentists also. We have people from all domains, mothers, mother of twins, mom influencers, mom bloggers. Many people are there, right? We have more than 40 PhD psychologists in our team, right? Those who are already been trained by this. Though this topic is new, nobody is trained in psychology class about it, right? So that is why it's a completely different subject. You just read. I shared our review column link with you all. It is Facebook Deep Parenting review page. Just read the review. More than hundreds of reviews will be there. All are 5-star, not even 4.9, right? Because review is based on what you invest and what you get. We never boast. People tell that if you invest 1, you get 5 from this organization, right? Whether it is money or time, because I don't value money, because पैसा तो वैसे भी हम बहुत कम लेते हैं. We are not asking you 25,000, 50,000, right? So money is not investment of time. If you are going to invest 25 days in 3 programs, if you're going to invest in this career, what you're going to get? Just have a look on reviews. This is Jia Mukhtia. She is into marriage counseling for 25 years. What she wrote about the program. Kirti Vivek is also a psychologist. She is now settled in Jammu. Vidhi Rochalani, Pratik, she is a doctor. So what she has felt about this program, what is her take on this? Just read these reviews. Mona Narkolwala, she's from Ahmedabad. Of course, they have written something about me also. So you'll get to know what you're going to get out of it, right?
Yeah. See, when I due to some reasons last year I was not able to attend the deep parenting, the master classes or something. That's the session that we are doing today, because I was not here because of lockdown. I was at my native. So for my daughter only, I moved out from the Mumbai city under lockdown. So last year it was not possible. So I was waiting long.
So good. It's a good time actually from all aspects. So DOT trainings will be starting post Diwali only, 8th November, 15th November. You have 2 timings, 4 to 6 and 7 to 9. But definitely this review, please do read it. It will make others' decision easy, because anyways, I'm sure, like, we are meeting online. It's very tough to build a credibility. So some reviews can definitely make your decision easy.
The schedule for the other 2 batches, that is now you're
in line it is. Like if you start on 8th, 4 to 6, 8 to next 8-9 days the program will run. We'll take 1 day break, then we will start with the other level, same time, and then we'll take a next 1 break, then you will start with the 3rd level. You want to do it once in line? You want to? Yes, please.
Sir, the other programs, like they will also be group programs only?
All means other programs like mid-schoolers and teenagers?
Mid-schoolers and teenagers वाला है.
Group program मतलब कैसे?
ग्रुप सेशन ही होगा ना?
हाँ, ग्रुप ट्रेनिंग्स ही होंगी सारी. एक के लिए नहीं होगी. हाँ, एक के लिए 2-2 घंटे के लिए जा सकते हैं. It will be group only.
Okay.
Right. So means today you finish up with toddler program. We'll take 1 day gap, and then next same time अगला बैच शुरू हो जाएगा. It's not mandatory that you have to attend in 1 row. आप अभी 1 महीने ये कर लो, अगले महीने दूसरा कर लो. कोई बैच जो आपको सूट करता है टाइम, वो आपको पता चलता रहता है when the programs are like that. You can choose those times.
I mean, in the technical, in the commercial sense, I don't want to use these terms. Can we do the payment for the 3 at a time?
Yeah, you can pay and avail
later.
Yeah, you can avail discount now, and you can choose to do program later on. Absolutely your choice.
Okay.
Right.
Mr. Manish, this is Navdeep here.
Yes, Navdeep.
I have already paid today for your 4th level program.
Good,
I was
wonderful.
not aware of it, the continuity of the program. So, as you said, we can take a break and we can choose our time schedule and the dates, right?
Yeah, true that.
So
yes,
I can do the rest of the payment. And I can go ahead with that.
Yeah, you can do. You have been contacted by Nidhi.
Yes, Nidhi is in touch with
me. So you tell Nidhi, of course, 3250 is fees. You already paid 1,500 rupees. You have to just pay 1750 for 2 other programs. So if you pay, you will be registered for those programs also. You will be automatically added.
Yeah, but I want a gap between that.
That's your call. The way every month there are 2 programs happening, one 4 to 6 batch, one another 7 to 9 batch. So whatever batch you opt, it's you can do it anytime. Another fact which I'll tell you,
Sure.
in this, like, this is also added benefit. Our coaches can attend programs n number of times without paying refresher fees. Now what happened in lockdown, there are some people, those who entered into the program, किसी के घर में कोई बीमार हो गया, कुछ हो गया, उस समय बहुत दिक्कत थी. So they attended the program properly, कुछ कर नहीं पाए, उसके बाद they forgot everything. So they are anyways allowed to attend multiple times. अगर आप एक ही प्रोग्राम को 4 बार अटेंड करते हो तो you need not to pay separately, right?
That's great.
So that
that's
refreshers are free. तो आप कभी भी कर लो, हर महीने 2 प्रोग्राम होते हैं. और फिजिकल प्रोग्राम भी शुरू हो रहे हैं दिसंबर से, पर वो थोड़े एक्सपेंसिव होंगे. अप्रोक्सीमेटली फीस चली जाएगी 20-25 हजार तक, क्योंकि
Where
होटल
you are
कॉस्ट है.
based, Manish,
I'm from natively from Punjab.
and right now residing?
I'm in
You're
Ludhiana.
based
I'm in
in
Ludhiana.
Ludhiana.
Yes, Punjab. I'm natively from Chandigarh and now settled in Ludhiana. Right? Chalo, see ya. Or any query you have now. I hope I have tried to cover up everything, whatever been asked so far in all the programs. So we have compiled all the answers in one presentation. If you have any query, you can ask.
Manish ji, can you please share the payment links and details?
Devdatta ji, I'll share on
Manish,
WhatsApp.
can you
I have your
share it
WhatsApp.
all in WhatsApp, because once we get out of this, we lose everything. So the links.
Michelle,
and everything that you
I'll
have shared.
appreciate. I can share this recording with you so that you can listen to it again. If you mention your
Recording, Manish, the links that you have shared in the chat.
Michelle, who invited you? If I get to know,
I
know the
must
name?
check. No, it was just a number.
So you just text them. जिसने भी आपको link भेजा, Jaspal ji told me. So Jaspal ji will be sharing details now only. Right?
Okay, thank you, Manish.
So
Thanks.
Alka ji, 50% discount is valid till 3rd November. So till Diwali only it is there. Right? So, and this batch, we usually take 20-25 people in batch. So each batch there is limit. So if you wish to do it early batches in November only, so I preferably choose to book your seat early. So any other query you have, you can ask anyone.
Not really.
Chalo, good. Appreciate. Most of you attended the whole program. Even if you still feel to have recording, you can share this. You can share your WhatsApp contact number. You will be getting recording. Right?
Sure.
Chalo. See ya.
Thank you so
Bye
much.
bye. See you on the training. Bye bye.
Thanks, Manish. It was
Thank you,
awesome.
sir. Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Thank you.
Bye.